Hello and welcome to Start Left Security's platform demonstrations. I am part of Start Left Security's AI support team. I will be walking you through a series of platform features and why they are important to your organization to have. The main feature of this video is SCA. SCA stands for Software Composition Analysis. The primary goal of SCA is to identify all components and dependencies within your software project. This is especially important when using open source software, OSS, third-party libraries, and other external dependencies. Let's dive right in and show you how our SCA scanner works within our platform. Here we are inside our platform. If we go into a product, we'll use this automation product example. Here on the left are our controls monitoring for your software, supply chain security. One component of your software supply chain security is our SCA scanner. This software composition analysis scanner connects into your software code management or software repository management of your organization, automatically identifying all the code repos that are out there, giving you visibility into those code repos, such as what coding languages are they composed of, the activity of those code repos, which developers are committing, and how frequently, and much more. The best way to evidence that information is to go into the SBOM report, where we show all that information needed, the name of the dependency, the version, the type, if it's a library or framework, right? Any associated license that we can identify to it, open source license, and then again, numerating which asset or which code repository is responsible for the dependency, and then if there is a known vulnerability. We provide you and your organization with the data you need and want to collect as part of your composition analysis. Let's jump back into our product view. You can see here we have SCA vulnerabilities broken out in a separate tile, providing you the ability to see the total number of vulnerabilities related to those third-party components in your product. Click on this to drill down and look at the specific vulnerabilities and get more information about what they are. Here we bring in open source intelligence about the vulnerability to help you make priority decisions, and we show you multiple instances in your application where these vulnerabilities exist. In this case, you can see there's two versions of the same library, but they're both older versions that have this particular vulnerability. You can see that it's telling you that you would have to upgrade to this version 4.1.3 to address this issue. So in this case, it's the same product, same code repo. We also supply additional references for more information. We also supply AI support with AI remediations built into our system to help provide guidance on how you may eliminate these SCA vulnerabilities and keep your product and organization safe. Our SCA scanner is an immensely powerful component and is an essential part of your software supply chain security. We will dive deeper into SCA and our Start Left Security's scanner's ability in later videos. The main thing we want you to take away from this video is that software composition analysis is a crucial aspect of modern software development, particularly given the widespread use of open source and third-party components. By leveraging SCA tools, organizations can enhance their security posture, ensure compliance, and maintain high-quality software products.